So hopping right in, I'm just using some hair from Unice. This is their Peruvian Deep Wave. I'm also using some Quick Blue Bleach, 30 volume developer, aluminum foil, a bowl to mix everything in, an applicator brush, and some purple shampoo. So before laying your foil down, you just want to make sure your workspace is a little damp, just so the foil will stick to the table better. When it came down to mixing the bleach, I used 1 scoop of bleach and some developer. I pretty much used equal parts until I got the right consistency. As you can see, this was too thick, so I just added some more developer. Honestly, this wasn't enough for 1 bundle, so I would recommend 2 scoops of bleach per bundle. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And now just unroll your bundle, lay it out, get it ready. I realized I didn't have any gloves, so get you some latex gloves because you don't want to bleach hair with no gloves. So once you have your gloves on, you're all ready to go. So I just start by applying the bleach to the ends of the hair, and then I gradually work my way up. You really want to work in the bleach with curly hair because curly hair, it wants to spring back up, but you want to make sure you're stretching out the curls. No, this won't alter the hair. It's fine. You're just making sure you're getting bleach everywhere because we don't want patchy hair. That's not cute. So make sure you're really working this bleach in. To further work it in, I'm using a fine-tooth comb and I'm combing the bleach through the hair. As I'm combing it through, I'm stretching out the hair, and once that's done, I just smooth over the hair to make sure it's nice and flat. And yeah, you just repeat this process until the bottom is done. Now moving on to the top, it's basically the same. Work the bleach in, comb it through, smooth it out. And yeah, just make sure every strand is getting covered. You want to make sure you flip the hair over because you never know if all the strands are coated. Yeah, just apply the remainder of the bleach to the top of the weft and make sure you're really working it in, like I said, because we don't want patchy hair. We want it all to be a nice ginger color. So yeah, make sure you get every strand. No strand left behind. 2018. once all the hair is coated in the bleach, you just want to smooth it through. I left on the bleach for about 25 minutes. You want to make sure you're checking just so you don't over process the hair, because you don't want it to get too light. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like, and now it's time to rinse out this bleach. This is really self-explanatory. You just rinse the bleach out. Once that's done, you want to take your neutralizing shampoo. I forgot to include this in the beginning, but you want to use a neutralizing shampoo just to make sure the hair stops processing. I went in and washed it twice with the shampoo. Once that was done, I took my purple shampoo that I got from Sally's. It's basically a dupe for the shimmer lights, and I just work that into the hair. I let the purple shampoo sit for about 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes I just rinsed it out. And once you're done rinsing out the shampoo, this is what the hair will look like. It does look a little dark, but hair always looks darker when it's wet. Yeah, so this is how I got the ginger color. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. And until next time, bye.